Hello viewers, welcome into this session. We are still in a quadratic equation and expressions, but now we are doing some different examples from the past KCSE papers to see how we use the concept of quadratic equations and expressions to solve for the unknowns in the examples. Kindly follow through and I hope you understand. Our first example is, we are told to solve for n in 6n divided by n minus 1 is equals to 25 divided by n. From this part, we do the cross multiplication. Then we multiply 6n times n, we get 6n squared is equals to 25 multiplied by n minus 1. Here we'll be having 6n squared is equals to 25n minus 25. We take 25n and 25 the other side, so we have 6n squared minus 25n plus 25 is equals to 0. From here now, we find the sum product. Sum, we said, is the second value from our equation, that is negative 25. Product is the first value multiplied by the last value, and that will give us positive 150. From this part now, we ask ourselves, which two values will we have that when we add them we get negative 25, and when we multiply them we get positive 150, and those values are negative 10 and negative 15. When we say negative 10 plus negative 15, we get negative 25. Negative 10 times negative 15, we get positive 150. So these values that were found here are the values that we are supposed to replace 25 with. So here we have 6n squared minus 10n minus 15n plus 25 is equals to 0. Then now we pair our values into two. In the first pair we have 6n and 10n. We ask ourselves which is that common value between the two, and we get here we'll be having 2n. Okay, we'll be left here with n, that is 3n minus 5. On the second part, we have 15n and 25, and we are supposed to ask ourselves which is that value that we are supposed to factor out, and that is 5. We'll be left here with 3n minus 5. So here we are going to have minus. So here now we are supposed to have 2n minus 5 and 3n minus 5 is equals to 0. So we take each at a time. We can start with this one, that is 2n minus 5 is equals to 0. So we have 2n is equals to positive 5 divided by 2 both sides, and that n becomes 2.5. Or picking the other part, we have 3n minus 5 is equals to 0. That is 3n is equals to positive 5 divided by 3 both sides, and we get the second value of n being 1, 2 over 3. This is how we apply the concept of quadratic equations to solve for this kind of an example. Stay tuned to view more form of questions that we are supposed to apply the same concept. I hope you have understood. Thank you very much for viewing.